If you like the flavor of chicken cordon bleu, but you don't want to spend hours in the kitchen preparing it, then you'll love this quick and easy version. Traditional chicken cordon bleu is one of the most exquisite dishes that you'll ever make, but it takes hours of preparation. You need a lot of different bowls and plates, and it's very messy. It's the perfect dish for a special occasion, but when you want that same great flavor on a regular basis, without all the mess and without all the fuss, there's an easier way to make it. We're taking boneless, skinless chicken breast and pan-searing it in olive oil. We'll top it with Swiss cheese, sliced ham, and a Dijon mustard cream cheese sauce. Then we'll finish it off in the oven. Everything is made in one pan and it's ready in only 20 minutes. We're making a quick and easy chicken cordon bleu in the kitchen tonight. It's going to be delicious, so stick around and we'll show you how we make it. Quick and easy chicken cordon bleu. The flavor and taste of traditional chicken cordon bleu, without the mess and without the fuss. This recipe is made in one pan and it's ready in only 20 minutes. It's also low carb and keto friendly. Our mise en place for tonight's dish is 4 boneless, skinless chicken breast cutlets, or 2 large chicken breasts sliced in half, 4 slices of Swiss cheese, or 8 half slices, 8 slices of black Forrest ham, and 8 slices of smoked Gruyere cheese, 4 ounces of cream cheese, a heaping tablespoon of Dijon mustard, a teaspoon of lemon juice, salt, pepper, and paprika, and extra virgin olive oil. In a small bowl, combine the cream cheese, Dijon mustard, and lemon juice, and stir them together. For best results, allow the cream cheese to be at room temperature before mixing. Season your chicken cutlets on both sides with salt and pepper, and you can use additional seasoning of your choice. We're using paprika for color and for flavor. Add a few tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil to an oven-safe pan on medium heat. Place the chicken cutlets into the pan and cook them for about 4 minutes. While the chicken is cooking, go ahead and preheat the oven broiler to its highest setting. Flip the chicken cutlets over and add the smoked Gruyere cheese. Then add your sliced ham. Then add a scoop of the mustard, cream cheese, and lemon juice mixture. Spread it out as best that you can. And finally, add the Swiss cheese to the top of the chicken and ham. Next, put the pan under the broiler for about 2 minutes or so until the cheese is melted and brown. Remove the pan from the broiler and you're ready to plate your dish. Since there are no breadcrumbs like traditional chicken cordon bleu, this recipe is low carb and keto friendly. And there it is! Quick and easy chicken cordon bleu. Everything made in one pan in less than 20 minutes. All the taste and flavor of traditional chicken cordon bleu without the mess and the fuss. It was delicious. Until next time, bon appetit.